Tirumala is called as Tirumalai. You are confusing. Now only we are coming from the Malai now. So there's a big wall here, and this is a hairpin bend. Okay. See, again another hairpin bend. We are now going to get turned from here to here. Think again another hairpin bend. So buses going in front of us, so it is little bit hiding our view, but anyway, not a problem. It's a temple over here in the middle. Okay, we will cover this. Okay. This view is very nice. See, a lot of pilgrims are coming by walk. Okay. They are Nadapadai pilgrims. Sorry, this is the Nadapada platform is given for Tirumala people. So even if it rains, it won't affect them, even if it is a heavy sun. And there are some people who are cleaning the roads always. So Tirumala is having a very neat and clean roads. You can see here. It's like a very neat place. Always they are cleaning things, roads and everything. And here there's a small little temple. Okay, I didn't read the name, sorry. I think we have come from that mountain now, the big mountain. See, you can here see very down. I think the camera is not visible. See, here a way is going. I don't know where it is going. There are some temples. This view is very nice. So very greenish places are here, light green trees, and there are yellow bamboo trees in the left. Looks very nice. கோயில் இருக்கா? அந்த கோயில் கொஞ்சம் ஸ்லோ பண்ணுங்க, லைட்டாக கேப்சர் பண்ணுங்க. இதுவா சொன்னீங்க கோயிலா? வாஞ்சநேயரா?